In the year 2020, deep beneath the Indian Ocean, a remotely operated vehicle named Sebastian ascended from the abyss, its cameras capturing an unimaginable sight. There, in the darkness, was a creature unlike anything scientists had seen before. A Siphonophore. It was unlike a whale, fish, or squid. This creature stretched over 47 meters across its outer ring, possibly much longer, maybe even 120 meters. Humanity had just glimpsed what could be the longest animal ever recorded. What is a Siphonophore? This organism isn't a single animal. It's thousands, perhaps tens of thousands, of cloned copies. Each clone specializes in one task: swimming, feeding, or even reproduction. Together, they form a single, unified superorganism that challenges everything we know about life. It begins as a single egg, but quickly, it divides and clones itself. The parts grow, each taking on a role. Some swim, others feed. And together, they stretch into the abyss like a living cable of flesh. This is not cooperation. It's integration. A Siphonophore is a colony where individuality is sacrificed for efficiency. Its zooids, these tiny specialized creatures, can't survive alone. They rely on each other to function. The feeding zooid needs swimmers. The swimmers need feeders. Together, they form a complex, interconnected whole. They are perfectly adapted for survival in the deep ocean. The evolutionary history Siphonophores belong to an ancient lineage, having evolved over hundreds of millions of years. While many of their cousins, like jellyfish and sea anemones, remain relatively simple, Siphonophores adapted a different path. Their ancestors discovered the power of staying connected after budding, evolving into colonies where labor was divided for greater efficiency. The fossil record of Siphonophores is almost non-existent because their bodies are mostly water, delicate and fragile, without bones or shells. Survival and adaptability. The secret to their survival is their adaptability. Siphonophores can reconfigure themselves within a single lifetime, growing more swimmers if they need speed, or more tentacles if they need reach. This modularity, this ability to rearrange, allows them to thrive through shifting environments and extreme conditions. They've survived mass extinctions, ice ages, and the churning ocean currents. The deep ocean, a hostile environment. Siphonophores dwell in the depths of the ocean, where the conditions would crush most other creatures. The pressure at these depths can exceed 400 times the atmospheric pressure at sea level. Yet the Siphonophore thrives, its gelatinous body perfectly suited for this environment. In this abyss, there's no light, only darkness so absolute that vision becomes useless. Instead, these creatures rely on other senses: chemical signals, electrical impulses, and the touch of the surrounding waters. The hunting strategy. The Siphonophore is a patient predator. It does not chase its prey. It waits. Its long, almost invisible tentacles extend through the water, capturing tiny creatures like copepods and crustaceans. The tentacles have specialized cells called nematocysts, coiled spring-like structures that inject venom into the prey on contact, paralyzing it almost instantly. The Siphonophore's tentacles reel in the prey, bringing it to the feeding zooids that digest it for the entire colony. The discovery in 2020. In 2020, a research expedition led by Dr. Nerida Wilson aboard the Falkor uncovered a massive Siphonophore off the coast of Western Australia. The creature's spiral form appeared like a glowing UFO, stretching 47 meters in diameter and possibly much longer. It was a living, breathing mystery, alive and alien in its form. The discovery was a breakthrough in our understanding of deep-sea life, as the Siphonophore's size and structure challenged everything we thought we knew about marine biology. How they evolved to survive. Siphonophores are survivors, not because they are tough, but because they are adaptable. They can sacrifice parts of themselves for the greater good of the colony. When food is scarce, they adjust, altering the colony's structure to survive. This flexibility has allowed them to endure in an ever-changing world. The ocean's silence. Despite their complexity and their beauty, siphonophores remain hidden in the dark ocean, thriving in a realm we've barely explored. Only 5% of the ocean's depths have been mapped, and still, creatures like siphonophores slip through our fingers. Their fragility makes them difficult to collect. When brought to the surface, they dissolve into gelatinous blobs, their true nature slipping away, leaving behind only fragments. Bioluminescence and deception. Many siphonophores can produce bioluminescence, glowing light in the deep, dark sea. Some use this ability to lure prey. The genus Arena, for example, produces red bioluminescence, a rare color in the ocean depths. This red light tricks prey into thinking it's safe to approach. Fish swim toward the glow, expecting food, only to be ensnared by the siphonophore's deadly tentacles. The mystery continues. We still know so little about these incredible creatures. How do they coordinate such complex behavior without a brain? How do they respond to environmental changes? These questions remain mysteries because the deep ocean, their home, is a realm that is still almost entirely unknown to us. The legacy of the siphonophore. Siphonophores challenge our definition of individuality and life itself. They blur the lines between organism and society, between self and collective. They teach us that survival is not about strength or independence, but about cooperation, about integration. They are a reminder that the deep ocean holds mysteries that we have yet to uncover. Creatures like the siphonophore, so alien to us that they might as well be from another world. The siphonophore is not just a living being. It's a symbol of everything we don't know, everything that exists beyond our comprehension. It drifts in the deep, its spiral form an eerie reminder that there are still wonders waiting for us to discover. As we continue our exploration of the deep, the siphonophore stands as a testament to the incredible complexity and mystery of life on Earth.